Welcome. If you're looking to make your Discord mobile experience a little easier on the eyes and more comfortable for you, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you exactly how to sync Discord's reduced motion settings with your device's preferences, making sure your app experience matches what you've set up on your phone. This is the latest method, and it's super simple. Let's get started. First, open up the Discord app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged in and on the main screen. At the bottom right corner, you'll see your profile picture. Go ahead and tap on it. This will take you straight to your user settings. Once you're in your settings, scroll down until you see the option labeled Accessibility. Tap on Accessibility to open up a range of settings designed to make Discord more user-friendly for everyone. Now keep scrolling until you find the section called Reduced Motion. This is where you can control how much animation and movement you see in the app. If you're someone who prefers less animation, maybe for comfort or to help with motion sensitivity, this is the place to be. Here's the key step. Look for the toggle that says Sync with Device Settings. By turning this on, you're telling Discord to automatically match its reduced motion settings with whatever you've chosen for your device. So, if your phone is already set to reduce motion, Discord will follow suit. No need to adjust things in two places. Just one simple toggle and you're set. And that's it. With just a few taps, you've made Discord's motion settings smarter and more in tune with your device. This little change can make a big difference in how comfortable and enjoyable your Discord experience is, especially if you're sensitive to movement or just prefer a calmer interface. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more up-to-date tips and tricks. See you next time.